Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the charging test on the IQ7 device while listening to the music at same time. So yes friends, previously I did plenty of charging test in the IQ7 device. While playing PUBG game it did not work properly. While watching YouTube videos it did not charge fastly. Right now I am trying to listen to the music in the Gaana application by using the Bluetooth headphones, and I'll try to charge the phone. So just to see how is the charging speed is going on. And recently, just yesterday I did upload a video on this slow charging issue which is going on in this IQ7 device. So make sure to check that video friends, in case if you're feeling that kind of slow charging issue, and try to comment under that video how much time it's taking for you to charge completely 100%. So that is a reason why I uploaded that video. And is a small chart which I have written here for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and full charge. I'll try to write down the battery percentage and temperature, how it's varying. So let's see friends, even while listening to the music, whether you will be able to charge the phone fast or not. And during this time the temperature is a main key thing. So in my room temperature it's pretty normal. There is only 33 degrees right now. There is no AC, there is no cooler, nothing, or except fan. As you can see friends, the device temperature is also 36 degrees right now, as you can see. And I'm using the 4G during this time of listening to the music, so not to the Wi-Fi. So 4G and Bluetooth headphones connected and listening to the online streaming Gaana application. And during this time of listening I'll definitely close the phone lock screen. So phone screen will be completely closed during this time of listening. I won't keep it on. I just want to see whether the phone will be able to fully charge fastly or not by using this kind of technique. So let's see friends what will happen, the results. So right now the battery percentage is of close to, I think, only 3% at this point. As you can clearly see friends, 3%. And I do have the stopwatch ready as well over there. I'll let me to connect the 66 watt fast charging, which is a flash charge. As you can see friends, the flash charge has been detected successfully. So just to show you, this is the reason why I opened the lock screen particularly. Let me try to go back to this kind of Gaana, and right now I'll be able to play this kind of music continuously using the 4G data, not with the Wi-Fi, only using the 4G data I'm trying to play right now continuously friends. Again I'll be back exactly maybe close to 10 minutes of time continuously, and then we'll be able to check how much the battery percentage reached and how much the temperature also increased. So right now it's only 37 degrees at this point. So 37 degrees friends right now. So as I said, my room temperature is also 33 degrees only, it's not high. So again I'll be back after 10 minutes of continuously streaming the music and charging at same time test. So let's see what will happen. As you can see friends, right now we are getting close to 10 minutes of time exactly, and the battery charged only to 28%. As you can clearly see friends, 28% for the first 10 minutes of continuously listening to the music to the headphones and charging at same time. And let's check the temperature. So how much is the temperature right now? So temperature is not that huge, it's only normal, it's only 38 degrees. So I cannot say any kind of 40 degrees right now. As you can clearly see friends, the temperature is only 38 degrees, but still it was unable to charge pretty fast. I was using only the 66 watt fast charge only during this time of testing. As you can clearly see here, you can see the symbol as well, the flash charge symbol. And I'm playing all the songs in a loop continuously as well friends during this time of testing. So let's see what will be the results for the next 20 minutes of doing this kind of test. And let me write down the temperatures of 38 degrees during this time of testing for the first 10 minutes. So again I'll be back after close to 20 minutes of time. As you can clearly see friends, right now it's close to 20 minutes exactly, and the battery reached to 41% exactly. So just now it went to 42, but I'll try to write down the 41 only. So clearly it proves that if you're trying to use the mobile phone while charging, it won't charge fast. The IQ7 device, it won't charge fast. So right now the temperature is about 38.4. It's not high at all. So 38.4, as you can clearly see friends, 38.6 right now I was able to get this kind of temperatures, 38 only exactly. It's not going high as well, the temperatures, but overall if you're trying to use the phone and charging at same time, the things will not work properly with this IQ7 device. That is the one thing you need to remember. So whenever you want to charge the phone, so make sure to turn off everything and just keep the phone charging itself. No watching movies, no watching games, no playing games, and not even listening to the music. So let's see friends what will be the result for the next 30 minutes. How much will it gonna charge in the next 30 minutes, and how much will be the full charge will take time. So right now as you can see friends, we did get close to 30 minutes of continuously charging the phone, and it charged up to 54%, as you can see friends clearly. So let me need to write down the percentage, 54%. And let's check the temperature, how much it is. The temperature right now it's of 38 degrees, so same kind of temperature maintaining around the phone. As you can clearly see friends, 38.8, but not much. So 38.4 is the highest recorded, 38.8 is the highest. somewhere 39. Oh, 39, as you can see 39 degrees as well the back side. Somewhere this part I did see the 39 degrees. So overall 38.8 is the highest so far recorded in this phone, but even the 39, but sometimes as an average I'll try to take the 38 as well during this time. As you can see friends, clearly for the first 30 minutes the phone was able to charge only 54% clearly friends. So if you are trying to listen to the music, then definitely the phone will be not able to charge fast. It will take I think close to 1 hour of time in this case to completely charge. So I started the charging test around 3% if you remember from the beginning. So overall it charged only 51% for first 30 minutes of continuously charging the phone while listening to the music via Bluetooth headphones. So again I'll be back friends once the phone gets fully charged, close to maybe 99%. As you can see friends, right now we did get close to I think 99% right now the battery percentage, and time is about 1 hour and 7 minutes of time. So 1 hour 7 minutes of time friends while listening to the music, and let's see how much more time this needs, the iQOO 7 needs to complete it to the fully charge the smartphone. As I said, during this test I'm trying to use the 4G data and trying to use the Bluetooth headphones and streaming via Gaana application. So this is a settings exactly what I'm trying to follow. So even if you are trying to stream the audio as well and listen to the Bluetooth music, still the phone won't be able to charge faster. So the temperature increased to 40 degrees at this time after getting close to 99%. So I was just waiting how much time the phone actually needs to completely get the 100% charge fill, as you can see friends right now. So make sure to comment below in case if you like this kind of testings, and definitely if you have any other further testings want me to do, definitely make sure to comment below. I'll try to make do the test as soon as possible for you all. So right now it's 99%. I'm just waiting for that 100% to get filled. As I said, I'm still streaming the music continuously friends. The songs are going on continuously in the headphones non-stop for the past 1 hour, and it's 99%. And finally it got completely filled. As you can see friends, it took about I think 1 hour and 9 minutes total time. The battery completely got fully charged from 3% when I started to the 100%. So 1 hour and 9 minutes, so total 69 minutes. So 69 minutes to full charge the battery if you're trying to stream the audio via Bluetooth headphones and play via 4G data. And temperature increased to 40 degrees at the end of the test as well. So 40 degrees and 69 minutes. So normally without using anything the phone can charge, my unit can charge 35 minutes, but now it took about double the time. So these are quick testing friends using the music and charging at the same time. And thank you for watching this video, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.